Let me know yes, no. Run your index2 file from project folder. Okay. Now we need to implement like this. The main file you have header file. The header file we have. In this file, we are given just a table, and this page is loading here in the beginning of the page. We will make the link to all this text home, about, contact, login, register, inquiry. This all the menus what we have created. We will be making a hyperlink, and when you click on any of this link, the page will appear in the middle section. The white block you have, inside the white block, we will be loading the different pages based on user clicks. Based on user click. So first come to your index2 file. Open your index2 file. Open your index2 file. These files I will share in the chat also. Okay, hold on. These files I will send you in the chat also. For example, index2, then left, then right, then welcome, header, footer, even about also. Index also I'll send you. This all file is available in your chat now. In case of if your any of the file is not working, you can download it and replace your file. Download it and replace your file. Okay, so hope you have taken the file, whichever the file is required. You need any file? You need any files? These files you have? Okay, now if required, I sent again in the chat all files, whichever you need. But you can download this one in the laptop, not in mobile. To download this file, you have to log in the where? From the laptop. Okay, now come to the index 2 file. That file you have opened already, index 2. In index 2, you can see multiple frame tag. We have frame set 1 we have. Inside also we have a frame set. The welcome file is calling somewhere. Welcome file is coming in the middle. Now what we want, whichever the frame we have written, we will give the name for every frame. We will give the name for every frame, a different name, so that the browser will be okay to identify each frame separately. Browser will find easy to identify each frame separately. So the first frame we have written, where you are calling header file, write here a property called name, N-A-M-E, name equal to, suppose we'll write call block1. Name can be anything, but give meaningful name, block1, block2, block3, block1. Now, then you will ask what is the use of the name property, correct? Name property is nothing but it is going to make your each block as a different, like unique, saying like block1 will be pointing to one area, block 2 will be pointing to second area, block 3 will point to the third area. Same thing, now you are going to implement through HTML. In future, the similar functionality will do, but their name property will not help us. ID property will help us. So if you want to implement the JavaScript, then ID you have to use. And if you are going to use the name, now only HTML we are following. So we are going to use the name property. We using the name property. We are going to give the different name for each block. So each block will be unique block, and our browser will be easily browser will identify each and every block. Okay. So block 1 is ready. Now go for the second frame. Write name equal to block 2. Name equal to block 2. Write in the third frame name equal to block 4. No, block 4, block 3. Block 1, block 2, block 3. Write here also as a name equal to block 4. Write here also name equal to block 5. Give the name for each block. Lowercase you will write, like block 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are written. You can write in a small case, a small letter. Right. So hope you are given block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4, block 5. Now come to the browser. In browser, you can see the orange block. The first block is orange color. For this area, you are given the name as a block 1. The left side, light green, for that you are given call block 2. For this welcome, you are given block 3. right you have given block 4, and the sky blue last block you have given called block 5. If you go here, block 1 is nothing but the header file, block 2 is nothing but the left, block 3 is nothing but the welcome, block 4 is your right, and block 5 is your call. Okay, so 5 blocks are there, and under each section, we are calling a different pages. Under each block, we are calling a different pages. Okay. Now again come to the browser. Welcome is coming under the block 3. Welcome is coming under the block 3. Here we have written called welcome home. This is your block 3. Now requirement is when we click on about, when we click on contact, when we click on login, register and inquiry, whichever the link we click, it has to load the different pages. Like suppose you click on inquiry, it will call inquiry.html. But inquiry.html will go under the block 3. When you click on register, register page will load, but it will go under the block 3. If you click on login, again login.html will come. It will load, but it will go under the block 3. Now question is, by default, which file is under the block 3? By default, you are calling the welcome. But whenever you click on any link, this we are going to make a hyperlink. So whenever we click on any of this hyperlink, our orange block will be complete static. Left block will be same, right block will be same, footer block will be same. The content will change under the middle block. Okay, that will happen through the target property that we have seen when we have gone through the HTML, and then we have written the hyperlink href. In that we discuss a property called target. In that one property is called user defined. Now user defined property is going to help us, saying like your requirement is when the user will click under the block 1, you want to change the file under the block 3. When the user will click under the block 1 anywhere, the content has to change under the block 3. Right? So in that case, user defined property will help us. Okay. Now you can see in the middle row, 3 column we have created. It is not necessary that 3 column will be there. There may be 2 column also, or maybe only 1 column also, right? Okay. And there may be 6 column also, 10 column also, depend on our requirement. Now our requirement says yes, when the user will click on the login page has to come. But why to reload entire page? Don't reload entire page. All section will be same. Only the content will change under the middle section. That is called block 3. Now let's go. Once you complete, then you will come to know really it's happening like this. Now block 1 to 3 we have made. In index file, leave it. Now come to the save this file. You should save this file, okay? Don't leave without saving. Save this file. Come to the your header file. Open the header.html now. In header.html, you can see you have written only text inside the th. Now this text we are going to make hyperlink. We are going to make hyperlink. Okay. So let's follow like this. href equal to visible. Href equal to, first you open and close the A tab here. Okay. The A will close after the home, A will open before home, and A will close after home. Okay, ready? Now, You copy this href and paste everywhere. Before the text, you paste this much. Everywhere you paste this much, okay? And close the E tag after all the text. E tag must close after the text. It should not close before text. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute time and just write it slowly. Make it proper. E tag should close in the last. E tag should not close before the text. We call header and call footer. You have the file header footer? The problem is something else. Close the E tag here, no, after text. No, close this after text. Complete this time. E tag close after the text. Very good. You can let me know in the chat. Ping me once you have done. Yeah, I have in the beginning. This is not here. There is a this is the header file. This is directly in HTML folder. Welcome file is somewhere else. Then you can document PDF. Document. If this is here the document. Here all files. Yeah. It's not one. Is it? You don't have this files? You download the Zoom and you use this files. You download the Zoom and install it. Okay. Zoom allowed laptop. You have Zoom installed? Zoom installed it there? No. You link me over there. Okay, log in. So, Hello. Okay. The number is okay. Info campus number you have. Call that number after 10:30. Okay. So next what we have is so it has open closed properly. Log in the Zoom. Okay. I'll send you this. Huh? File. That only I'm doing. First, now check once. One file is showing. Download that. Click on somewhere. Desktop you can download all, or maybe D drive you download all. Download separate D drive. Okay. Guide him to create a folder in D drive somewhere, and then download that file and keep in that. Okay, now I'll send you all the files. Left, right, welcome, index, register and all. Okay, so all file came now. First download all file, okay, and keep in one folder. Then you will close your Notepad++ and open these files. Okay, now come to the header file. In header file, we are given hyperlink. Now in that, when you click on home, it will call a file called welcome.html. When you click on home, it will call a file called welcome.html. When we click on home, it will call a file welcome.html. But where this welcome.html will appear, we have to write here target equal to block 3. Block 3. Similar way, right here, when you click on about us, it will call a file called about.html and it will come under the target equal to block 3. Okay. Similar way, write everywhere. When you click on contact us, it will call a file called contact.html and the file will come under the target equal to block 3. When you click on login, it will call a file called login.html and it will come under the target equal to block 3. Register.html and it will come under the target equal to block 3. Inquiry.html, it will come under the target equal to block 3. Write all the places. Okay, so hope we written all the places. So when you click on home link, which file will come? Welcome.html. And after that, where it will go? It will go to the block 3. When you click on about us, it will call the file about.html, and where it will appear? Under the block 3. When you click on contact us, it will call a file contact.html, and where it will appear? Under the block 3. So all the files, whichever the file we are calling, all the file is going to appear under the block 3. So at a time, how many file will be there? Only one file. Then question is which file? Those files that we have clicked, not all the files. Okay. Those file will come, that file we have clicked. That link we have clicked, and where it will come? It will come under the block 3. Now, so hope everyone has modified. Now two file we have already. One is about file and one is the welcome file. So we will test the page using the two file, welcome and about. If working, then we can create remaining all the files. Okay, now let's go ahead. Look at the about file. You have any data in the about file? Open the about file. Okay, we have written already something inside the about file. So this TR to TR, I will share you in your chat. If you have problem in the writing, you can replace the TR to TR. You can use this code also. Okay, now come to the browser. Go to the browser and refresh your index file, index2 file. Go to the browser and again, if you want, you can run the index2 file. Index2 file you can run again. Index2 file you can run again. And see hyperlink is coming or not. Hyperlink is coming. Index2 file you run and check once, are you getting the hyperlink? Index2 file you run and check once. Hope you should get the hyperlink. Next, after that, what code we have written is, we have written like, that is open or close? Just now I open sometime. And I have kept there. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's a hyperlink now. We have written, when we click on home file, welcome.html will appear. And where it will go? It will go to the block 3. When you click on about.html will appear and it will go to the block 3. So when you click on about us in block 3, about file will appear. If you click on home, then in block 3, welcome file will appear. Now, if you have saved your file and run the file, click on about and see in the middle section, about page is coming. Click again home and see welcome file is coming. Home and about. If you click on both the links, because two files are ready as of now, we can test using these two files. About.html will load here about file and here it will call the home file. Something like this. Similar? For one person only, see, it should look like this. When you click on about and home, the pages will load. You can see your URL is a index2. But when you click here, this content came from where? About. Correct? Left file, right side, footer, upper part is always fixed. Only the content is changing under the middle part. Only the content is changing under the middle part. Okay. We will create remaining other file also and we can check whether it's working or not. So create the next file called contact.html. Create the next file contact.html. Make sure all the files should be one place. It should not be here there. HTML open and close. Follow the body tag. Write inside one H1 tag. Call contact us. Contact us. Align equal to center. Okay, ready? Contact file is ready. Come to the browser and again click on contact us. See that page is loading here. Page should load here. You should save the file and then try. Keep a paragraph. Align equal to center. For more details. Something, right? Hope done. Let's create remaining file also. Login, register, inquiry. Similar way, create the next file. That file name you are given here. You are given the file name here called login. Right? Login, register, inquiry. So we have to create the file like this only. Login, register, and inquiry. Login.html. Create one more file. Register.html. Create one more file. Inquiry.html. enquiry.html. Login.html, register.html, inquiry.html. Create three files. Okay, then now in login file, we will write HTML open close, body tag open close, write one H1 here, login, align equal to center, just keep this much only. Right, check now. Login page is loading. Click on login. That should appear. Remaining content we can add. Like a login form, contact form. That is the next matter. First, the page should load properly. Go to the register file. In register file also, do the similar. Login you have written. Come to register. Start HTML. Follow the body tag. Now right inside H1 for register, align equal to center, write a paragraph, align equal to center, enter your details. Okay, done. Check now. Click on register. Register page should load. Happening. Next we have call inquiry. Go to inquiry page. Same way. HTML open close. They will use the body tag. Then we can write inside H1. Inquiry form. Now align, center, Enter your query message. Enter your query message. Keep a line equal to okay. Hope ready. Next, after that, check now inquiry page is loading. So all the pages are loading, right? All the pages are loading. Now in this all the pages, suppose inquiry page will have an inquiry form. Register page will create a register form. Login page will have a login form. About us, some text is okay. Home file, we can display some photos, some text, some number will be fine. Okay, so that we will be doing. You have one more file. If you run that file, you will see something different. This file, index file. In index file, if you click, it will open the new tab. Can you see that? It's opening the new tab. Index file. Run the index file and click on link. You will find it open the new tab. In index file, if you run the page, index file, you run the page, you will find it open the new tab on every click. Whenever you do the click, it open the new tab. Right, opening the new tab. Problem is something else. What is the problem? Problem is like in header file, if you see header file, you have written the target equal to block 3. In header file, you have written target equal to block 3. In index file, do have any block 3 name? See, in index file, we have not given name anywhere. We have given the name. No. So middle frame, where you are calling welcome.html file, open this file index. Open the index file, and in index file, you have 3 frames: header, footer, and welcome. So for welcome line, keep a name here, name equal to block 3. Name equal to block 3. Now index file will also work. If you click on the top, the content will change in the bottom. Working? Okay, now run the index file and check again. If you click on the links, content are changing below in index file. So remaining these pages: inquiry form, login, contact, register, about. We will work tomorrow. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will be attending the classes. We will have the class tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Same time, 9 o'clock we'll log in tomorrow also. 9 o'clock we'll log in day after tomorrow also. From Monday, you will log in at 9:30. Okay. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll log in. Saturday, Sunday, we can log in at the same time. Offline. You can come online, offline, whichever the mode you are attending. You can join as usual. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will be doing the revision of all your HTML, which we have learned. We'll create these pages and then some more thing we'll revise. And then from Monday, we'll learn the CSS. Tomorrow 9 to 10:30. Day after tomorrow also 9 to 10:30. Okay. And then from Monday, we'll come to our as usual 9:30 time. 9:30 to 11. Other people will also come from the 11 to 1. 11 to 1. Okay. So see you. Last 1-2 videos are pending. I will upload today. I'll message you after uploading.